try Pip, Squeak and Black Girl together. Oh, Black Girl. Come on then, Pip, Squeak. Hello. Hello, Black Girl. Hello, Pip, Squeak. Ooh. Oh, no, don't kill the camera. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing, upside down puppy? Upside down puppies. Come on, let's go over here. Come on then, puppies. This way. Hello, Pip. Black Girl. Hello, Pip. Hello, Pip. Black Girl. Puppy, come on then. What are you doing squeaking down there? Are you going on a mission? Black Girl's disappearing, exploring. Come on then. Hello. Hello. What are you doing spinning and throwing yourself around? Come on then, Black Girl. What are you doing, Black Girl? What are you doing? You all like lying in this long stuff, don't you? What are you doing? What are you doing? Where are you going, Pip? Hello. Hello, Pip. Hello, Pip. Upside down again. Upside down again. Hello, Black Girl. Come on then, puppies. Oh, we're going to go and find Wendy. You're all out here now, apart from Wendy. Wendy has been out. She's gone in again. Come on then. Alright, well, I'll leave you two there. Go and find Wendy.